With a legacy spanning over 60 years, ZF Group in India has established itself as a leading provider of advanced technology solutions and services across the automotive and various other industrial sectors. Among these, ZF Wind Power Coimbatore excels in designing, manufacturing, and supplying advanced gearbox solutions for the wind energy sector, as well as axles and transmissions for off-highway construction vehicles. At the heart of ZF lies inclusion as one of our core values, and we are committed to empowering women throughout our global workforce.
Our state-of-the-art plant in Coimbatore is dedicated to fostering inclusion and diversity. We recognize that diversity and inclusion, empowering women, is not just an ethical imperative, but also a strategic advantage. A culture of inclusion and belonging enables our women colleagues to grow, thrive, and build lives and careers they are truly proud of.
At first, I was nervous and equally excited about joining a factory setup, though my family was worried. But the inclusive culture at ZF made me feel safe and comfortable. Special trainings, well-equipped workshops, factory automation ensures that we have the same opportunity as anyone else.
At ZF, we are passionate about developing the skills of our employees. We empower them with cutting-edge technologies and offer them diverse opportunities to explore and innovate in creative avenues.
Our comprehensive training and mentorship programs are designed to empower our employees to excel. ZF Shakti, our women employee resource group, provides a safe space to connect, share, and grow.
At ZF, we prioritize safety and work-life balance. Our facilities like creche, childcare support, extended maternity program, and flexible working help our women employees.
At ZF, we feel valued, motivated, empowered to grow and build our career.
Are you ready to step into a future where empowerment knows no gender, and every individual is celebrated as an architect of innovation and excellence? Join ZF and become our next future starter.